Model, IVECO Daily Minibus fully seated 2008 low miles perfect for a camper conversion drives simple fix smirk. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 128483. MOT, 9 July 2024. Engine, 9999 cc IVE, F1A. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Still drives fine but intermittently the gearbox is not selecting gears. We checked thoroughly with this and the gearbox module is faulty, will need replacing. Check engine light on dash for DPF. DPF system needs cleaning. Very easy and simple. Smiling face with open hands. BARGAIN face with hand over mouth. Condition summary, minibus seats all in good order. Bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or